By engaging with cooking consciously, we're coming into the kitchen, we are actually tapping into a stream of consciousness. We're tapping into our own process of evolution. We're connecting with hundreds, thousands of years of acquired knowledge and wisdom around food and cooking, and a way of connecting to ourselves, connecting to others, connecting to our community, which puts us back in that stream. It brings us closer to that whole process and connection to what it really means to be human. The obvious thing in terms of transformation is that connecting with cooking consciously really transforms our relationship with food and our connection with ourselves, our ability to be nourished, our ability to receive the gifts that we are given through food. And that's of enormous benefit, not just in terms of feeding ourselves and nourishing ourselves, but how we show up in life and how we show up in the world, and how we can be more aligned to who we really are and really be of service.